Featuring over 3,600 square feet of custom features and architectural design, it's easy to see why this Riverstone floor plan is so popular. This 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath home has all the essentials: hand-scraped hardwood flooring, high soaring ceilings, and our signature fireplace. This open floor plan design offers large living areas and bedrooms, as well as designer-selected fixtures throughout. The warm and spacious family room and breakfast nook opens right into your gourmet kitchen. This chef's creation includes a large island workspace, granite countertops, butler's pantry, and stainless steel appliances. The private study is close in proximity to the owner's suite, including a spacious master bedroom and huge walk-in closet, as well as a large master bath including dual vanities, deep garden tub, and custom tile stand-up shower. As you make your way up the curved staircase, you'll find the privacy of 4 additional, more spacious bedrooms and adjacent bathrooms. Additionally, on the upper level, you'll find enjoyment in your family game room for hours of entertainment under your roof. We can build you this floor plan or any of our others in almost every First Texas community.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.